Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hiwale from October School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve your craft. In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to use one single bone of pattern, this to make 4 different styles of shoe. For an aspiring shoemaker, an established shoemaker, it's always good to have a good understanding of pattern manipulation. So in here, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to manipulate this single bone you see in here. This was derived from a first sketch, how I was able to use this to get 4 different styles of female heel shoe out. If you want to see that, then this video is for you. If you're a first timer, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to also activate the notification bell. That is going to help you to get notification on our subsequent upload on this platform. So let's go see how I will be using this to cut 4 different styles of female heels. Thank you so much for watching today's time. If you like what you've seen, yes, hope you've been able to learn something, grab something from this short thing I just showed you. I'd like you to like the video, subscribe if not a subscriber, and the bell button is very important so you get notified when we upload a wonderful video like this again. And don't forget that we have a full video of this, a full course on all the 4 styles that which I just sketched out: the slim bag, the T-stripe, the full pump, the peep toe, all the 4 styles of shoe. We have the complete course on our platform. There's the link in the description of this video. Go in there, the link is on to where you can take a full course, taking a full shoemaking course at the convenience. At your conveniences, we have prepared that just for you. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and what I say is that anything you do, never stop learning.